Hi mom, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ayobami if you're new here. So while I was making my 6-month-old's breakfast this morning, I decided to keep her on a training chair so she could watch me cook and me not having to strap her around and just have a moment of her own. And I observed she was crying, and the rest of those she was making all those funny sounds because she knew mommy was going to set up camera and ring light to start recording the whole food process. And the sound is just about mommy, I can't wait, give me food, I can't wait, give me food. So I went to the snack box and I brought this out. It's called Kidalicious. It's delicious. It's a strawberry waffle melt biscuit, suitable from 6 months. So this is how it looks. It comes in packs of 10 of those, 10 of this in that pack, and very easy to handle, slim, and it just melts into your baby's mouth. And then I went ahead to make the breakfast for my little one, which was avocado and egg yolk mash. So, as we know, eggs is one of the common allergens that children react to, or anyone can react to, basically. I've previously tried one of the common allergens, which is peanut butter, on our last week, and she did beautifully well. She enjoyed it. It was tasty, it was creamy, and she loved it. And now I'm going to be trying the egg yolk. The first thing I did was to boil my egg yolk very hard. I made sure that the egg was properly cooked and the egg is not runny. And then I'm going to be cutting a very thin slice of avocado to pair with. I'm going to be using a very thin slice of avocado because I don't believe in batch cooking baby's food or preserving the food, especially because they are fruits, and then they can react to anything. So I don't preserve their food. I make what baby is able to consume per time. So I've just chopped my avocado into bite size so that I'm able to cut it easily. And I proceeded with mashing the egg yolk and the avocado together. And the next thing I'm going to be doing is to thoroughly mash it, just to make sure that everything is well blended. There's no lump that could cause any form of choking or hazard to the baby. I went ahead to serve baby food once I've seen that the texture is what I wanted. I found out that the food was still a little bit hard and it could be difficult to digest for my little one. So I proceeded with adding a bit of formula milk and warm water to thoroughly mix it to my desired texture and for what is good for baby to easily digest. Did my little one enjoy it? Yes. Was I worried? Yes, especially because our older sister is allergic to eggs and she doesn't have eggs even up till now. And so I'll be watching out for baby. I'll be looking at her to see if there is any form of reactions, but I'm confident she won't, have any form of reactions to this one, and she would just be fine. In order to further preserve my avocado, because baby is not going to finish the entire avocado. On the surface where I've cut off, I added a little bit of salt and I placed in the fridge. So the salt is going to preserve it, and whenever I'm ready to eat the rest of it, all I just need to do is to cut off that surface, and the rest of the avocado will be very fresh green, just like I left it originally. And that's a way to preserve our avocado. Let me know what recipe you'd like me to shoot. And one more thing, after this meal, baby also went ahead to take, what did she take? She had breast milk. So I found out that most times as I've just started introducing solid, she still wants to go on the breast and have some milk, and which I gave her. And now I've put her behind me. She's sleeping and everyone is fine. Good. Let me know what recipe you'd like me to shoot. Thank you for watching and subscribing. Till we see you next time. Bye.